Okay, today we're going to attempt to remove this stripped screw from my generator. What I'm going to try to do is cut a line through here and then get on it with a flathead screwdriver. So if you're wondering why I'm so preoccupied with this screw in such cold weather, I have to get this panel off so I can change the battery out on this generator. We've lost power 4 times this winter already, and this past week we had a brief power outage and the generator would not start. That was after passing its exercise 3 days earlier, where it started and ran with no problems. So I've got to get this battery changed out because we're heading into another storm this coming weekend, and I want to be ready for it. This panel was installed by the technician who installed this unit. I don't know why he put it on so tight, but he also stripped the head of the Allen head screw when he did it, which is what's making this so hard.
I just want to talk to him.
Wait, why do you have a shotgun?
I just want to talk to him.
Dad, this is ridiculous!
I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him.
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a punch and a hammer. I have slots cut into the head of the Allen head screw, and I'm going to put the punch in one of those slots as far out to the outside as I can, and I'm going to tap it with the hammer to see if I can start to get it to move. It's a tedious process, but hopefully it'll work here. You gotta get it. So at this point, with the tap and punch method, the screw is starting to move, but it's very, very slow. So I'm trying to do light taps, I've got a good spot where the punch will sit in the screw and not fall out. So I'm going to do slight taps, and now I'm going to try it again with the screwdriver to see if I can get it to go.